Hello guys, welcome again. So there is one update for you from HPCL. So you know the recruitment of HPCL for engineer trainee is there. Okay. So official syllabus is released now. So we will discuss everything. I will tell you the important points now. Okay, related to recruitment and related to syllabus, which is official now. Mechanical, electrical, instrumentation, civil people already applied to. I hope already you applied for the post and you fill the form. Form last date is 15 April. So don't those who didn't fill the form yet. Okay, fill the form if you want to get the opportunity to work in HPCL. Okay, so now we will go to the syllabus and let's discuss what other things are there or not. Okay, so first important thing you should note that whatever the syllabus I mentioned in the previous video, okay, of the strategy video of HPCL, that syllabus you have to follow compulsory. Okay, and from this PDF, we will see additional topic mentioned by them. Okay, so whatever the syllabus I already told you in the previous video, those who didn't watch the previous video, in the playlist section, HPCL playlist is there. Just watch the videos, okay, and then you can watch this video. And in this PDF, if there is an additional topic, then we will do. Otherwise, we will follow our same syllabus. Okay, so now for civil engineering we will start with civil engineering. So for civil you can see here structural engineering person is there. Okay, in this all the syllabus is there, you can see here. I will attach this PDF in the description also, so don't worry about that. Geotechnical engineering, then third is water resource management, and then environment engineering, transportation, geometry, and building architecture maintenance. So this is the things you have to do. Okay, I think 90% or 90, I think everything will be there. Okay, in the previous strategy video which I mentioned for civil engineering. So no need to do extra things. Okay, just look at the things which are extra here. You can see. Okay. Next is your electrical engineering. So for electrical engineers, electrical circuits is there, network is there, MT is there, electric machines is there, power system, measurement and power electronics. Okay, now see, they didn't mention here signal system, your control system, analog circuits, but still you have to do this. Okay, I already told you that in the previous strategy video I already mentioned this, and along with this you have to read this, and additional topics are not there. So our syllabus is remain same for electrical engineering. Okay, there is no change because all the things are already mentioned. Okay, so in this also description also there is no extra thing. All the syllabuses get syllabus it seems. So there is no problem. There is no problem. Okay. Okay. Now the next branch, that is your mechanical. For mechanical also the same syllabus is there, that is mechanics and design. Then your fluid mechanics and thermal science is there, already mentioned. Material manufacturing industrial is there. Okay. Here I guess inventory control and operation, these are the extra points. Okay, just see properly whether anything is extra or not. Okay, but along with this, whatever the syllabus already I mentioned, you have to do that. Okay, you have to do that. Now instrumentation. For instrumentation, electric circuit and measurement is there. Then signal system is there, control system is there, analog electronics is there, digital electronics. Okay, now come see this computer network. So this is the additional thing. Okay, this is the additional thing you have now. That is computer network. You have to study extra. And in computer network also, what you have to study, they mention here. See, just basic things. That is fundamentals of networking. What are the things are in networking? Then layered architecture, OSI model, TCP/IP, networking device. In that hubs, bridges, switches, router, gateway. You should know. Okay. So Horizon book is there. One book is there, Horizon, that you can use. Okay, that you can use. In that basic things are there with example they explain. Very good book. And only see this topic only. Okay. So TCP/IP model you have to see. Then OSI model is there. You have to see. In the layered architecture also. Okay, then your communication things are there, simplex, duplex, that are the things are there. What is the fundamentals of networking? What are the terms which are used in networking? That is protocol. What is protocol, like this? Okay, then your topologies are there, topology. Then in hub, bridges, switches, router, gateway. Okay, get brief information about this. On which layer hub work, on which layer bridges work, on which layer switch and router work, gateway work. Okay, so these are the basic questions they will definitely ask you. Okay, 1 to 2 questions I am expecting from this computer network for you guys for instrumentation. Next is your industrial measurement. Next is your industrial instrumentation. Okay, this topic you have already. Communication optical you have already. No issue in that. Okay, these are the things, that is industrial data communication and analytic instrumentation. These are the new things. Okay, for you. So you have to do this. Now just gather the material for this industrial data and communication and analytic instrumentation. Okay, refer any reference book already you have for instrumentation branch. So this will be helpful for you. Okay, wireless communication basic things you require. And here also analytical instrumentation, spectrography, this is all the things. Basic thing I require, and just do the formulas. Okay, if there is a formula for this all the topics, then you can do that. Okay, now the important thing is that why I'm telling that the previous syllabus also you have to do and the additional topics are also do, because this is the syllabus. Okay, just this syllabus is released to give you the idea. Okay, it does not mean this is a fixed syllabus. It does not mean that it is fixed. So you should have complete knowledge of your branch, but along with that, these are their requirement also. That is for instrumentation actions of these are there. Okay, so this is the requirement. So that's why the previous strategy video plus additional topic you have to do, and likewise you have to complete your journey. Now this very good that HPCL give the update about syllabus. Okay, so our expected exam date, that is May 3rd or 4th week. It seems it will be closer to you. So just prepare very hard now. Don't waste time in all the things. Okay, prepare very hard. Just make sure you complete all the things, that is our previous syllabus also and additional topics also. Okay, don't neglect additional topics which are mentioned here, because they will ask the question for sure on additional topics. That's why don't neglect them. Okay, that's why they release the syllabus. Okay, so have now any query, you can just comment down below, or our Telegram group is also there. You can connect to me there also. Okay, if any query is there, any doubt is there, or if you want any personal guidance or anything, then you can DM me on Instagram on application also, and definitely join the Telegram group. It will be benefit for you. All the best.